Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delicious and super easy recipe for Scallion Kimchi, also known as spring onion kimchi, in Korean, 쪽파 kimchi. This zesty side dish is perfect with all kinds of meats and oily foods, bringing a burst of flavor to your meals. Plus, it's packed with health benefits. Talk about a win-win. In just a few simple steps, you'll have a tangy, crunchy kimchi that's not only satisfying, but also incredibly good for you. So let's get started. For the brine, we're gonna need half a cup of fish sauce, half a cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So you take this, put it in here, and just pour it over. Okay, you want to brine the roots first because they're a bit larger and it takes more time. All right, we'll let it brine for 30 minutes, but I'm gonna flip it after 15 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Now we need to take some water from this. We need 1 cup of the brine sauce. Yeah, this is exactly 1 cup. So let's do some blending. Put a cup of the brine. Half an onion, and then half a bowl of rice. I'm using an apple, but you can use a pear, whichever you like. Take out the seeds. Scallion kimchi actually tastes much better when it's aged. Some people eat it almost raw immediately, but I like to have mine aged. But everybody has different tastes. 2 teaspoons of shrimp paste. This is a very fishy shrimp paste that I got. I think it's Malaysian. Chinkalok. In my channel, I'm trying to utilize all non-Korean ingredients. Put the chili powders, 1.5 cup. Most of it is some Pakistani fine ground chili, which is quite spicy. All right. Pour the sauce on top. Spread it evenly. In half. Oh my gosh, I forgot to pick the garlic. Added in more garlic.
Chef, Korea treats so tasty. Healthy goals, our path is clear and bright. Flavors bold, but health is what guides me. Korean cooking won't give up fight.